Time with Yeye, and today we're going to be reading Aliens Love Underpants. Aliens love underpants of every shape and size, but there are no underpants in space, so here's a big surprise. When aliens fly down to Earth, they don't come to meet you, they simply want your underpants. I bet you never knew. Their spaceship rod bleeps and blinks the moment that it sees a washing line of underpants all flapping in the breeze. They land in your back garden, though they haven't been invited. Ooh, underpants, they chant and dance around delighted. They like them red, they like them green, or orange like Satsumas. But best of all, they love the sight of Granny's spotty blue. Mum's pink frickly kickers are a perfect place to hide, and Grandpa's woolly long johns make a super whizzy slide. In daring competitions, held up by just one peg, they count how many aliens can squeeze inside. They wear pants on their feet and heads, and other silly places. They fly pants from their spaceships and hold upside-down pantries as they go, zigging through the air. It's really pants-tastic. What fun the aliens can have with Pinky Pants Elastic. It's not your neighbour's naughty dog or next door's funny game. When underpants go missing, the aliens are to blame. But quick, Mum's coming out to fetch the washing in at last. Whee! Off the aliens all zoom. They're used to leaving fast. So when you put your pants on, freshly washed and nice and clean, just check in case an alien still lurks inside unseen. The end. So guys, our new word from today's reading is LURKS, and this is how you spell it. LURKS, and it means remain hidden. An example is when the aliens were hidden in the underpants. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's reading. Please subscribe, like and share. My video. Have a brilliant week. Goodbye. Love ya. Thanks for watching Time with Yeye.